Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can import kits in DLS 25. Okay, so as you can see, this is the home page. At the bottom it says challenges, team, transfers, and my club. We want to click onto my club, and then you are presented with a whole list of other options, stadium and facilities, but you want to click onto the customize option, and there where it says kit, you can see at the bottom left hand corner it says custom kit. Tap onto custom kit. Now you will need to spend 200 gems one time in order to unlock the custom kit. This is a one-time purchase. Unfortunately, I don't have 200 gems right now, but then to get the kit URL, okay, you can go out of the Dream League Soccer, you can open up Google Chrome, and you can write Argentina for an example, kit URL, okay, it's not working, and then you type DLS 25, okay, hit go. And then you can use any one of these links to get the link, and then you'll paste the link into your game when you import the kit. And that's it. So if this video helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.